drawer I've got all my new organisation bits stacked here. I'm gonna have to try and get the labels off. If they won't come straight off, I'll just soak them for a bit. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go through this drawer. As you can see, it's quite full. Get rid of anything I don't use or I don't want anymore, and yeah, I'm gonna speed up this process, I think. But yeah, so this, let's just get started. This is Iconic London palette. Now it says on here 12 months. I had this in Glossy Box Advent Calendar, like not the Christmas just gone, the one before, but it's barely used, so I'm not going to throw it out because I absolutely love this palette. So yeah, I'm going to be keeping that one. Let's see if I can actually get a little bit closer. Okay, so that's a little better. You'll be able to see a bit better now. So yeah, that is the Iconic London one, and I'm going to be keeping that. Let's have a look for my other palettes. So these ones are Accrylabs. These are from when I was working with Accrylabs. Really good pigments on these. So this rose gold colour here is absolutely stunning when it's on. I'm going to be keeping that as well because I really love that palette. This is the one I had for Primark that I tested in a video. The colours are not great. They are a little bit chalky. But for the purpose of the greens and everything and the blues, I'm gonna keep it for now. Another one, this is actually Accrylabs as well, but they've changed to Urban Retreat by Accrylabs. This palette is called Funky Town, and again I'm gonna be keeping these. The pigments on these are gorgeous, really nice, so I'm keeping that as well. Boomtown is another one of my favourites. Just look at that blue, and the red in here is really stunning as well. So yeah, gonna be keeping that. I haven't used these in a while, so maybe I'll do a video soon. This one is the Revolution, the Roxy collaboration, Ride or Die palette. I'm not sure if you know Roxy's channel. Roxaurus is her channel name, but yeah, there's no, this says 12 months on these, and I've definitely had it more than 12 months, but again, I'm not gonna check it out because it's really nice colours in here. Hopefully you can see properly. You know, the lighting's quite bad. I'm sitting in the opposite direction to where I should be really. But yeah, I'm gonna keep that one. In here, I think that's it for the eyeshadow palettes. I've just put these in here. I've changed the angle, hopefully you can see a little bit better. So I've got these 3 long trays here, so I'm going to put like lip liners, lipsticks and mascaras in here, and eyeliners. So not sure about these ones yet. Maybe my small round face palettes could go in here. These are all my lip liners, well, the only ones I can see for now. I've probably got more, but I'm just going to put them in there. I know the stickers are still on, but I'm just going to leave them on there for now. So yeah, that's my lip liners. Okay, so these are my eyebrow products and eyeliners. I'm also going to put in the soap brow in here as well. Also found a bunch more of the lip liners. So yeah, they can go in there. So I'm actually going to put my mascaras in here as well, just because I only have the 2 mascaras, so not sure what I'm going to put in this one, to be honest. I'm just going to leave it empty a sec, but I'm going to put foundations in here. This one is the Primark PS My Perfect Cover Double Coverage Matte Foundation. This is really, really good, and I think it was a £5. Absolutely stunning one, this is. So I'm going to stick that in there. This is the Urban Retreat by Accrylic. This is the liquid foundation. Again, really, really good. And I pick up just a lighter shade in there. I'm actually going to have to lay that one down. But I also picked up then these foundation drops, so I can make them darker or lighter, whether I'm, you know, tan or anything. Not that I tan very often. That's going to go in. Again, another liquid foundation. This actually hasn't even been opened, but this is a very dark shade, so I might use this soon as a cream contour. And then I have the Prep and Perfect. This is from Primark as well. This was only £3. This is quite good. Really like this one. It's gonna have to go down there as well. In this one, I think no, I am gonna just leave that one. I'm gonna see what I can fit in here. So I'm gonna put in my bronzers and highlighters right there. Okay, let's just keep it like that. I think that looks okay. So actually what I thought I would do first is see how my palettes fit in this, because obviously my larger eyeshadow palettes are not going to be able to fit in here. So I'm going to see what I can actually fit in here first, and then see what's left over. So these were actually in a special buy for £6, but then they were reduced to clear because they were chipped. I didn't realise there was a handle missing, which I am a bit gutted about, but I mean, I could maybe find my own handle to put on there. My bigger ones are definitely not fitting in these, so I'm just going to put these Accrylic ones in here because I've got a fill. This one is just like nudes, which is also very pretty. Stick that one there. I'm sure I had 5 of them, but I only find 4 palettes at the moment. This one is a very pretty one as well. These got lovely shimmers in these, so one can go there as well. Oh, I forgot I had this. I was looking for this the other day. This is setting powder, so I'm definitely going to be putting that nearer the top to remind me to use them more. Again, Accrylic, guys, I just love them. Okay, now these other palettes are definitely not fitting in. Again, Urban Retreat by Accrylic. These are gorgeous palettes as well. So this one is called Midtown. It's really pretty colours in here as well. This is Downtown. Again, really pretty colours. And this is Uptown. Again, these are like nudes and neutral colours. And then this will actually have to go with my lipsticks. This is a lip sync palette, so you can literally create your own shade of lipstick. It's insane. I do not use this enough either, so yeah, I'm gonna be using this in a very near future video. Okay, so I think for now that's all that can go in there. So I still have no idea where I'm actually putting all these, but we will just leave it there for now. That one is complete. I'm going to take the other one now and put the face palettes in. Maybe my lipsticks would look better in these. Let's try and put all my lipsticks and stuff in here instead. So this is, what are these called? Lip gloss? I think this is a lip gloss. Again, the Urban Retreat, this is in the colour Posh. I'm going to keep that. This one is in the shade Obsessed. This is the That's Well by B&M Extreme Lip Plumper, although it doesn't make them like extremely big or anything. It doesn't sting. So stick that one in there. This is a Lip Dew Tinted Lip Balm, Glow On Fifth Beauty. Had this in a glossy box as well. Is that the only glosses I've got? That might be the only glosses I've got. So what I'm going to do is put the longer ones in this side. This is the Unique Splash Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade Sentimental. One of my all-time favourite shades. Absolutely love this. And then I'm sure I had another one of those. A different shade, but I can't seem to find it. I've got the Huda Beauty Demi Matte. This is in the shade Chica, which is another like nice nudie colour. Okay, so this is actually what I've done so far. I've just put my skincare up here. I changed the drawers because, you know, I'm fussy. So I have got the face palettes in there. In all of them actually. Like that one now I'm going to have to, which is really annoying, take that out to pull that one out. I'm going to have to see if Dan can get something to put on there. But I think that looks quite nice there. And in here now I've just put my larger palettes up top, and then these two I'm planning on filling with nail varnishes. I do still have like these drawers left. I put my lipsticks in here. Now the drawers now, like this is this drawer, which I think looks really nice. I have added back the mascaras as well. Just for now, just for like videos, so I'm not having to use the same, because I'm literally going to be putting them on and then taking them back off. So that's that drawer. And then this one is going to be for hair. So I've just put some of my tools there. There's like a waver and the straightener, and then just my like conditioning sprays, hairspray, baubles are in all here, and clips, and then dry shampoo. And this is usually my nail drawer, but like I said, I'm going to try and fit as many nail varnishes on these as possible because they are quite big. But I have nail varnishes in there, but I also have nail varnishes in there. But seeing as we do have so many organisers left, I think I'm going to be able to make it work and get everything nice and tidy. Okay, sorry guys, I couldn't get a good angle to film while I was putting all this on, but yeah, looks so much nicer in these. I'm testing this. I got this from Primark actually not so long ago, but I'm going to leave it on for a little bit now until tonight to check that it's working, because I think it's not working properly. It's not bright enough. So if that's the case, I'll get rid of this one and maybe ask Dan for a new bigger one for my birthday. But now I've got to go through all these drawers. Please excuse the floor. There was actually something there when we painted around it. But yeah, all there. Then I need to go through all that as well. And I've still got the bottom drawer to sort out with the rest of the nail stuff. So I am finally done, and this is the end result. I do need to repaint this, but that's gonna happen another day. So yeah, I've just put my gold tray here with my jewellery. I put the one at the back. I couldn't actually fit it in any of these drawers, so but I think it looks fine there. And then my reed diffuser and my body vase. Again, I'll just give you a quick overview. This drawer I'm super happy with. The hair stuff, and then obviously the nail stuff down there. I've still got two of the compartment ones left, but I don't know what else to do with them. And then I just restyled these shelves, and in there I've just put bits and bobs that don't really go in. Hi Daniel-san. That don't really go with the drawers. So yeah, that has been my decluttering and organising video. I need to get some more jars and stuff for the kitchen, but that's going to be the next organising one I do. I want to get some acrylic boxes and everything, so all of the cupboards are all neat. But yeah, if you like these sort of videos, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and yeah, I will see you next time. Bye guys.